So would you much rather have beautiful girls approach you? Do you want to attract the girl of your dreams with little effort? No worries, in this video we will share how to attract beautiful women without saying a word. So definitely make sure you stick around until the end. So gents, make sure that you invest in some good cologne. Trust me, women will notice. This is Gentlemen and Scholars, where we discuss dating, style, and personal development. So if you're into becoming a better version of yourself, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into today's video. So for today's topic, we're going over 10 tips to attract her without saying a word. So for number one, that's going to be confident body language. So if you don't know, confidence is the most attractive trait to women. So the better you are at displaying this and really embodying this, the more attractive that you'll appear to women. So definitely make sure that you are reading what your body language is saying about you. Are you standing tall? Do you have good posture? Or are your shoulders hunched over, constantly displaying the avatar of somebody that's defeated and is maybe really insecure? Are you maintaining good eye contact? When you see a girl that's looking your way, are you confident enough to look at her and, maintain a strong eye contact with her? But keep in mind not to be looking all over the place at the really cute girls. You want to make sure that you're not displaying a scarcity mindset. But when you do see a woman that looks your way, you can look back at her, maintain good eye contact, and then shoot her a smile. See what she does. You also want to avoid fidgeting and appear calm, cool, and collected. So for number two on the list for the ways to grab her attention without saying a word, that's going to be to dress well. This is one of the quickest ways to get her attention and is really one of the first things that she's going to see upon meeting you. Remember, gents, fit is king. So you want to wear clothes that fit you well and accentuate your positive features while hides imperfections. Definitely make sure that you pay attention to the little things, keep your grooming tight, and wear accessories. So if you don't know, I did write a whole handbook with an entire section dedicated to just style. So, if you want to get that for free, that is on the Gentlemen and Scholars Club website. It is the Gentlemen and Scholars Ultimate Handbook. And this can be, grabbed for free just by entering your name and email. So definitely check that out. That's on the Gentlemen and Scholars Club website. So for number three, that's going to be to smile. So if she looks your way, definitely make sure that you smile at her. Again, this goes along with good eye contact. If you see a woman that you really like, you're going to want to make eye contact, smile at her, and then see what she does. She shoots you a smile in return. This is a great choosing signal and really means that you should go over and make an approach, because there's a high likelihood that she is attracted to you. And if you don't know, I made a video all about choosing signals. I'll go ahead and link that here for your convenience. But this is definitely a way that you can get women's attention without saying a word to them. And even if you don't want to approach them, maybe you're not super comfortable or not at that level yet, you could simply wave them over just like this. I've done that plenty of times and they've come right over. So half the battle is really recognizing those choosing signals and making that deduction like, oh, okay, she is actually interested. So once you've got that nailed down, then a lot of things just kind of fall in place. So for number four on the list, that's going to be working on your purpose and have compelling things that you're working towards. So there's something that's just undeniably attractive about a man that is on his purpose, knows where he's going and working towards it ambitiously. And this is something that women can smell. You really can't fake it. And when you do make it to the stage of dating a beautiful woman, this makes for, really good conversation and, it's enjoyable because, you're excited and talking about things that you're really passionate about. Again, it just makes the date and conversation just that much better. So again, you want to make sure that you're on your purpose, you're on your mission, and you're staying focused and getting things done. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, subscribe to join the Gentlemen and Scholars family, and consider checking out the Gentlemen and Scholars Club website free resources, Gentlemen and Scholars merch, book recommendations, consultation services, and our free Gentlemen and Scholars Ultimate Handbook, where you'll learn personal development tips on how to build a successful life and become the gentleman of your dreams, style tips to develop an eye-catching, attractive, and unique personal avatar, and dating tips to attract, court, and keep the woman of your dreams. Visit the Gentlemen and Scholars Club website for more. Now back to the video. So for number 5 on the list, that's going to be to use open body language. So using open body language is going to be advantageous for you because really it's going to give you the appearance of somebody that's, well, more open. You know, you're not gonna come off like, you know, you may be hiding something or you might be untrustworthy, and, you know, it's gonna make you appear more inviting, and it's going to show a more confident appearance to the woman. So one thing that you're gonna wanna do, and you know, some of you guys may have already noticed this, but you know, you're gonna wanna, you know, show your hands. So, you know, if you're talking, you know, make sure that your hands are shown, your palms are shown. This shows that, you know, you're being honest with the person that you're, you know, communicating with. Additionally, you're gonna wanna do things like, you know, sit with your legs slightly open. You know, this is revealing a sensitive part of your body, which is indicative of comfortability. So if, you know, if you're able to do this, you know, will be communicated to the woman as well that, you know, okay, this guy's comfortable, he's confident. So, you know, you're gonna wanna do those things. So definitely make sure that you're integrating positive body language into your daily life. So I would encourage you to check the channel because I did a whole video on body language and, you know, positive body language. So definitely check that out as well. So for number 6 on the list for how to attract a woman without saying a word to her, that's going to be positive. So pay close attention to how you are speaking in public. Are you, you know, speaking positively? Are you constantly throwing out negative barbs or making negative comments? You know, these are things that people pick up on and will be especially unattractive to women because, you know, the reality is when you first meet a woman, she really doesn't know you. So if you're throwing out negative comments in public and, you know, an attractive woman hears this, she's going to think, oh, okay, like, you know, I don't really know what this guy's deal is, you know, I don't know if he's like this all the time. I don't know if he's having a bad day, or maybe he's just, you know, a really negative person. They're not going to know what to think. So it's best that you kind of keep those comments to yourself, particularly when you're in public. And additionally, you know, are you treating people kindly? You know, are you just a positive spirited person, or are you coming off as a more negative person, maybe without you even realizing it? So definitely make sure that you're cognizant of this. So for number 7 on the list of ways to attract women without saying a word, that's going to be to create a decent social group. So when you surround yourself with people like this, really this just gives you social proof. You know, you're going out, you're having fun with your guys, and you all are having a really good time. So when women see this and they see how good a time that you all are having just by yourselves, you know, not in a scarcity mindset, not hawking women, but, you know, you're out with your boys just enjoying yourselves, that gives the appearance of, you know, people that, you know, other people want to be around, and especially women will want to be around. So for number 8 on the list, that's going to be to maintain good hygiene. So gents, make sure that you invest in some good cologne. Trust me, women will notice. And definitely make sure that you're making time for the little things. You know, did you brush your teeth? Did you do your hair? Did you clip your nails? These are all the little details that, you know, trust me, they'll make a big difference over time. Number 9 on the list, that's going to be observant. So gents, if you find that you're already doing most of these things on the list, more than likely you're already receiving choosing signals from women. You know, a lot of you gents may simply just be dealing with insecurity. You know, you see a girl that's giving you choosing signals, but you know, you think, oh, that can't be for me. No, a lot of times this is for you gents. Or some of you are just simply not looking. So don't be afraid to look in a woman's direction and, you know, check out her body language. Check her out, you know, look in her eyes, see if she makes eye contact back with you. If she does, again, shoot her a smile. So definitely make sure that you are being observant. And lastly, for number 10, for the ways to get women's attention without saying a word, that's going to be to become a gentleman and scholar. So yes, you gents should be aiming to become a more chivalrous, well-rounded gentleman and a scholar, because we all should be aiming to commit ourselves to lifelong learning. So if you're someone that's serious about their personal growth, I would highly encourage you to check out the Gentlemen and Scholars Ultimate Handbook, which can be found on the Gentlemen and Scholars Club website, where we go over dating, style, and self-improvement tips to 10x your personal development journey. So I highly recommend that for you all. You can get that for free just by entering your name and email, and it'll download right then and there, the ebook. So definitely make sure that you check that out. But with that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. If you all do have any questions for me, definitely feel free to give a shout. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Just do it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and definitely let us know down below, did we miss anything? You know, are there some things that you would have added to the list? Definitely let us know down below. But until next time, Gentlemen and Scholars. Hey gents, hope you enjoyed the video. And check out the Gentlemen and Scholars Club website for our free Gentlemen and Scholars Ultimate Handbook, free resources, book recommendations, consultation services, and some pretty slick Gentlemen and Scholars merch. GNS hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, and so much more. Until next time, Gentlemen and Scholars. Hey gents, if you enjoyed this video, check out some bespoke video recommendations here and here. And subscribe to join the Gentlemen and Scholars Club.